Okay, right now you're about to watch an episode of Kiki trying to find her baby daddy. We got Maury, we got Kiki, we got Craig, and we got Amita. Amita is 27 years old. Been locked up a couple of times. That girl know how to fight though! Alright, and proceed. Okay, like I said, we have Kiki. Kiki's looking for her baby daddy.
Okay, I met this dude named Craig, and we was in New Orleans. Y'all heard me? We met in New Orleans. It was during Mardi Gras time, and you know how we stay out at the Zulu Parade. We stay out all night and go to the bar and stuff. When me and Craig went to the bar,
and we hunched.
And we hunched.
I was looking over.
And I was looking all good and stuff.
Who you?
So then I got up. And I was feeling sick. So I went to the bathroom and took a pregnancy test. Come find out I was pregnant. So I called Maury up and I called Craig up, matter of fact. And I told Craig that he was my baby daddy. He said no, so I said we was going on Maury's show. So here we are at Maury's show now.
Alright. And what's the baby name?
Amita.
How old
And
is
she's
Amita?
27 years old.
Okay, can
My
we get a
baby
picture of
needs a
Amita?
father.
Can we get a picture of Amita?
No, you could get her whole body because she is today.
Alright, Amita. What's up, man?
Hey, y'all.
You got anything to say?
Boom!
My name is Amita. Y'all already know I'm 27 years old. And he knows he is the father.
Alright.
And when I was small, he used to take care of me. And you know that.
Hey, see, you better buy the child support.
Okay.
Shut up.
Sweetie, sit down, please.
Alright, and from what I heard, we have Craig here. Craig, could you come on out?
Boom!
You can't deny this, baby. She look just like you.
No, I don't. Yes, I do. Not even.
What you said?
Dog still outside?
I see.
I don't know.
Man,
Is
that's
Sally
not
still outside?
even my baby.
Yeah. How you gonna deny her?
Oh, dog.
Yes.
They gonna get her.
Punch.
You gonna get it?
Punch with you. I don't even know you.
You're gonna get her.
But you knew me that night, huh, Craig?
No, man. I was at work. And
You
what
wasn't
night
at
you
no
talking
work.
about?
You wasn't at no work.
Okay, now it's back to me.
Yes, I would. And I don't know you. And I was locked up.
I was locked up with that food. I ain't my baby.
And then show me the
Can't
baby.
be locked up with a girl.
Show the baby. Show the baby. Show the baby. And say you better pay this hard for it.
You better pay this dog and surprise your boy.
Okay, back to me.
We started.